Hey everyone, I'm Charles from UITS, and I'm going to teach you how to access MyCSU. So let's get started. Welcome to Columbus State University. For students, faculty, and staff, MyCSU is the heart of all technology on campus. It is our portal to everything you will be using while at CSU. So to start this off, first you'll want to open your favorite web browser on your computer. Now there are two ways to open MyCSU. You can either visit the Columbus State webpage and in the top right hand corner click MyCSU, or you can visit mycsu.columbusstate.edu. Then sign in with your last name _ first name and then your password. With MyCSU, you can see new notifications about things going on with your account, such as holds and refunds. Along with that, you will also have ease of access to your school Gmail and other Google resources. Depending on your role at the university, you may see a variety of tabs on the left-hand side of your screen. If you are applying to the university, you will see the Applicants tab. Faculty and staff will see the Faculty and Staff tab. If you're a student, you will have the Student tabs. And if you're a student employee, you will have the Student Assistant tab. All of these are meant to help you access CSU services easier and from a single portal. Depending on your role, when you click on one of the tabs, you will get a customized view of things you may have access to. For faculty and staff, this may be applications, resources, forms, and so on. The Students tab is very similar, except it gives you access to add and remove classes from your schedule, financial aid, and other student records. For more information on MyCSU, please visit the website at uits.columbusstate.edu or call our IT support help desk at 706-507-8199. This has been Charles for UITS. Have a great day.